Oh, yeah. Oh, forgive us, Father, for the paths we chose to tread, worshiping the idols and the lies that we were fed. We lost the memory of your face within the haze, forced to walk in shadows through their cold and bitter ways. But deep within the marrow and the pulse of every vein, there lived a silent melody that rose above the pain. We cried out from the darkness, though we didn't know your name, waiting for the spark to turn the embers into flame. Oh, Most High, there I am, we are calling home. No longer will your children feel they're left to roam. The scales are falling off, the truth is breaking through. Our ears are finally tuned, our hearts return to you. Through the fire and the storm, you kept us in your hand. Now you're gathering the remnant from every foreign land. We bore the heavy burden of the ancient blood and line, paying for the wandering of souls in distant time. Captivity and slavery, the punishment we knew, because our fathers turned away and hid themselves from you. Oh, but your thoughts are higher than the wisdom of a man. We couldn't see the tapestry or understand the plan. You allowed the long migration through the valley of the dry, just to hear the sudden thunder of a nation's waking cry. Oh, Most High, YAH-FAH, we are calling home. Oh no, no longer will your children feel they're left to roam. The scales are falling off, the truth is breaking through. Our ears are finally tuned, our hearts return to you. Through the fire and the storm, you kept us in your hand. Now you're gathering the remnant from every foreign land.